Let's make the creamiest tropical smoothie bowl. Starting off with frozen pineapple, frozen mango, coming in with some frozen soursop, half of a banana, frozen, adding coconut milk, ooh, look at that. It's out. Ooh, look at the consistency. Even though the times are damn hot. Ooh. This is smelling so good, man. You wouldn't even know. This is smelling so good. So good. So tropical. Proud. I mean, know the picnic them are gonna love this. Know them are gonna love this. Oh my god. Hey. So now I'm gonna add a little toppings on. This part is optional. You can go ahead and eat it just like this. Shredded coconut. Ooh. Look on it. If you want, you could also add some granola. Whatever toppings you want to add to yours, perfectly fine. I'm gonna add some granola. Let's hurry up and do this taste test before it melts. One for you. This tastes as good as it looks. Ice cream now have nothing up on this. Don't ever ain't got shit on me, 'cause I'm on top of the world. Did you try yours yet? 'Cause girl, it is to die for. You wanna try, Papa? You like it? Take that one. This is for them. Right. Oh, why are you drooling though? It looks too good, right?
God, this is so good, bro.
How it tastes. It's not bad, not how good. How does it taste? What stand out in it for you? Like what you tasting?
The mango. Yeah, mango. Cause I like this. The mango actually stands out to me, and it tastes really nice with it. Guys, try this movable. That's really nice.
Awesome. Now, before you leave, how much would you give this smoothie? Honestly. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.